Hello, guys, my people. It's not every man of God wey stand on top of the pulpit. Wey in say na God call am, na God truly call am o. Some of these people like this, my people, na they call themselves, as in na they conquer God. But before we want to talk about hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel, K&G TV, for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If na the first time you see you stop for this channel or you come across my YouTube video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you set in. So my people, this video na 2 in 1. One of the video we go talk about now about this lady on the see for on a screen like this, wey don come out come cry for justice after waiting her uncle take do am. But before we want to talk about it, my beautiful people, make we talk about this particular matter like this for our screen. This man one that they see for a screen like this, na pastor, yes, him na pastor. They call him name say Reverend Dr. Success Emeka Sunday, where him own life transformation praying ministry, my people, for Owerri. This man don't take shocktalize us as soon as take the see like this, because their family to his fiancée take tell and say die then say till death do us part. But you see this one like this, even if not dead body, now you go come marry. Now our daughter dead body you go marry, because now you carry your hand kuku send her for RIP. So my people, the incident where it take happen, they say this man like this one that they see don't date his fiancée way in name be given as Chioma. Now in that one that they see for the screen, she was 32 years old. So they don't date like for 5 years now, and for 2020, that is, he can't engage the girl, can't tell the girl say he won't marry the girl, oh my people, and the girl can accept proposal. But one way take shocktalize us now, say for February 24th 2021, Chioma be hospitalized for hospital, and now so she takes off till she carry go RIP. What is it happen now? Say this our pastor, so my people, for in church he don't they preach against wedlock children, as in children wey they can't they give birth to them out of marriages, yeah, without knowing say as they take the preach like that himself they do not unprotected grigri-graga with him fiancée Chioma. During the process of the grigri-graga movement, my people, that papa and mama business for bed, and so Chioma can't take in, yes, Chioma can't get belle. Our pastor knowing say he don't they preach against premarital sex and having children out of wedlock. Now so he can't call Chioma, my people, can't drug her, can't give her one substance to take, come out the baby, come out from her belly. So as the matter no can work like that, my people, now he carried the girl go hospital. When he can't reach for the hospital, my people, he not take work like that. Like the doctor can't they realize say this our Chioma, so he can't they vomit blood, as everything can't they go down. Now did the hospital can't tell our reverend say make he can't carry a girlfriend go big hospital like referral hospital. He can't reach there, my people. He can't register the girl for different name. You know, can't use Chioma, can't they use a different name to register the girl? Then can't use his own phone, call Chioma family. Can't tell and say Chioma the hospital. Yes, see Chioma the hospitalized, and say he not well like that. He don't take ill. My people, before the family won't call start intervene. And so Chioma say go RIP. Now they can't carry out the investigation, can't realize say this man of God like that don't struggle to remove that speaking comot from Chioma body from his house, as he not say walk now carry and go the first hospital. As complications take the multiply now carry and go the second hospital, where eventually Chioma come pass on. So the family to Chioma, my people, for this August like this 2021 can't tell this baba say as you na man of God, we no one know, but you see our daughter like that, you will marry her corpse. So where we from come like this, you will marry her corpse, my people. I go leave on a part of the video, make una take the watch how the elder brother to Chioma self can't they talk say he don't say Chioma make Chioma carry her legs walk out of this relationship. But Chioma no can't they listen, like Chioma can tell her say yes, He go do am, but he no know when Chioma can return back into the relationship. So my people, I go leave una the video, make una watch. After that, we go come back, come talk a little. My people, make una watch the video.
Because I did my best to separate success from this relationship. I did my best. She promised me, but when she get back to it, I didn't know. But
So my people, when I don't hear the matter by yourself, make una write for comment section what you think about this particular one. Make we dive for the next video. So my people, the next video when they see for on a screen about this a lady don't come out, come cry, say waiting her uncles take the zone, her and her siblings say no be better matter. She can't let us know, say her father don't go RIP, like her father is of late, and since then my people, in less than 1 year, the father in brother don't come send her and her siblings together with her mother outside. Say she don't come out, come to beg, and she dey cry for justice. My people, if you can help, make you find way for help. I go leave another video for you on a kuku see by on herself. But before that, please, if you dey here you never subscribe to this channel, what you dey wait for? Please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notification. Give this video a thumbs up if you like. Do write on the comment section what you think about the video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Let them know what is happening. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for the support. As for now, I'm out. One love.
Good morning world. My name is Auna Victory. Since I lost my father on the 9th of September 2020, since then my uncle has not allowed us to rest. He just brought all our goods out. This is all our belongings. He just chased us out of my father's compound. Please, I need you guys to help me. My mother is a widow. We are four, 3 girls and 1 boy. Since then, my uncle has not allowed us to rest from this court case to the other. Now he just sent out of our father's property. Look at all our belongings outside. I'm calling for justice for my father.